Welcome to Banking Help SA. This is how to buy a Capitec Top Up Voucher. Watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. And if your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the process is the same, so just follow along. Start by opening the Capitec app and signing into your account. From the home screen, tap Transact at the bottom. Then select Buy Vouchers. You might need to scroll down to find it. From the list of vouchers, choose the Top Up Voucher option. On the next screen, pick the account you want to use for the purchase under the From section. Choose the voucher amount you want to buy, and under the Own Amount section, you can enter your own custom voucher amount. Once everything looks correct, tap Buy. Your voucher receipt will now appear on the screen along with the code. You can use Share Voucher Code if you want to share it with someone, otherwise tap Done. To view your voucher again, return to the Buy Voucher section and then press History in the top right-hand corner. You will now see a list of the vouchers that you have purchased. Find the Capitec Top Up Voucher and then open it. The details screen will now show the voucher amount, when it expires, the voucher code, and other transaction details. And that is it. That's how to buy a Capitec Top Up Voucher. If this video helped you, remember to like and subscribe for more easy guides. Goodbye.